Want to know the secret weapon savvy house flippers use to estimate profits before they even pick up a hammer? It's all about finding accurate comps. And today, Redfin Flipping Master is going to show you how to nail it using Redfin. First, head over to redfin.com. Let's say we're eyeballing a flip project at 123 Main Street. Type that address into Redfin. Once you're on the property page, scroll down past the initial details. Look for a section titled something like Nearby Homes for Sale, and right next to that, click the tab that says Recently Sold. This is where the magic happens. Now, don't just grab the first few sales you see. We need apples to apples. Use the filter options at the top to narrow down the results. Focus on properties that have similar square footage within about 10%, the same number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and a similar lot size. Examine the remaining properties. Pay close attention to the photos. Was it fully renovated? Does it have a finished basement? These differences will impact your potential sale price. Once you have 35 solid comps, calculate the average sale price per square foot. This gives you a baseline to estimate your property's after-repair value. Remember to adjust based on any superior or inferior features in your flip. Using Redfin strategically will help you confidently predict profits.